So congratulations on being a Zayed Future Energy Prize finalist. It's a huge challenge to get to that level. They have several hard stages of review. But tell us, what was the core focus of your application, and where did the inspiration come from?
The core focus of our application is to promote energy sort of reductions in consumption. We were inspired by the Christchurch earthquakes, which were 4 years ago, and you know, with the earthquakes came an opportunity to rebuild, and part of that rebuilding process, we want to see more sustainable practices coming into our city. So that was sort of the real inspiration for it, and our sort of key focus was to reduce our schools' energy consumption, Cashmere High Schools, yeah, so we wanted to install solar panels, which would have reduced our power bill by about 10%.
And are you still planning to find another
route? We'll have to find a different means of doing it.
And is it encouraged in the application that you have another method of funding your project if you don't win?
For us in New Zealand, it is difficult to get funding. Hence, we applied for the Zayed Future Energy Prize. But I think, you know, through the publicity that we've got from the Zayed Future Energy Prize and being finalists, you know, we're aiming to apply for funding in New Zealand. You know, the publicity has raised our profile, and hopefully, you know, we'll find funding to continue our project. We certainly believe in it. We think it's the right thing for Christchurch's future. So we'll keep fighting, and you know, hopefully our dream and vision will one day be realised.
Can you speak a bit about the application process? Was it difficult? What did you do for that?
It was difficult to do the application. At the beginning of this year, we knew very little about the Zayed Future Energy Prize. It was actually suggested to us by an organisation we joined at the beginning of the year called Schools New Zealand, and they suggested it to us as a means of working towards sustainability within our school. Over the course of the year, we worked on the application and submitted it, and it was strong enough to bring us to the finals.
Was it turned into a course or a project for a course, or was it extracurricular kind of thing?
We run a sustainability group in school of about 20 students, and it was written by this group with a little help from several teachers.